As Filipinos,
Do you guys feel safe here in the Philippines?
I do feel safe here in the Philippines. Well, honestly, last year I experienced hold up. So with that experience, I think I don't feel safe here in the Philippines.
Me, not really. If I will rate it, maybe 8 out of 10.
Lalo pag late ka na umuwi ng gabi.
Na-feel ko hindi na safe, lalo na paggabi. Yung mga nakakasalubong namin, hindi kami sure kung safe ba sila kasama or katabi sa bus, gano'n.
Names.
Babylin Namo.
Naput yung pang pageant.
Okay. What is your name?
I'm Babylin Namo.
Irishan Parto.
Diane Cabatulan Valenzuela.
may disiplina pala to. So you have discipline?
Yes, of course.
How old are you?
24,
20.
19.
Names po.
Romeo.
Dan.
Foreigner or local?
Local.
No, just to be sure.
Wow.
Kasi mukha silang mga European.
Name.
Nix. Wana po.
Nicole.
Kersley.
Which city kayo nakatira?
Quezon City po.
Quezon City po.
Bulacan.
QC.
So what do you do?
I'm currently working as a virtual medical assistant at the same time a public servant.
Graduating student, nursing.
Currently a candidate from Miss Grand Philippines and taking studies at Parañaque City.
We're at BGC right now. You guys work around the area ba?
Around the area.
Saan city kayo nakatira?
Taguig.
I'm at Angono Rizal.
Medyo malayo.
So, we have a question.
As Filipinos,
Do you guys feel safe here in the Philippines?
I do feel safe here in the Philippines because I grew up in the Philippines. Tubong Filipina ako, so alam ko yung ugali, yung behaviors and traits. Actually, it's a pleasure to be a Filipina.
Well, in this world that's full of negativity, as a Filipino, I still safe here in our country.
Why?
Simply because I know Filipino I have discipline in themselves.
how about you, Miss Discipline? As a Filipino, do you feel safe in the Philippines?
Well, honestly, last year I experienced hold up
Where?
in Parañaque. So, around morning na yon. So, yung phone ko na hold up that time with my friends. So, with that experience, I think I don't feel safe here in the Philippines. But at the same time, you know, the character, the traits that we all have, the hospitality, that's the good thing. But with the question, no, I don't feel safe.
Is it morning?
Yeah, morning around 4 a.m.
So guys, our question, as Filipinos, do you guys feel safe in the Philippines?
Me, not really. If I will rate it, maybe 8 out of 10.
Medyo mataas yun ah.
How about you, ma'am?
7.
As Filipinos, Filipinas, do you guys feel safe here in the Philippines?
Sa mga nangyayari po ngayon, parang hindi na po since madami ng mga nakawan or patayan.
Usually saan yan? Sa Quezon City ba yan?
Opo.
How about you, ma'am?
Ano po, minsan napapaisip ka na lalo pag late ka na umuwi ng gabi.
Ako naman, minsan din, na-feel ko hindi na safe, lalo na paggabi. Lalo na working kami, so Bulacan pa ako. Yung mga nakakasalubong namin, hindi kami sure kung safe ba sila kasama or katabi sa bus, gano'n. Gabi na kami nakakauwi.
Kayo po.
Depende sa lugar eh. Siyempre BGC, medyo tight yung security. So once na nandito kami, medyo feel safe. Pero once na umalis dito sa vicinity na to, medyo ano na.
Medyo tagilid na.
Any experiences why ganun yung sagot nyo?
No specific bad experience naman, pero there are a lot of pickpockets, a lot of hold-uppers, and yung hindi ka safe around pag lalo na magpa-public transport.
Kayo po, any experiences?
Well, actually, I was from Bulacan, so I just recently moved here. So moving here, I feel safe naman. Minsan kasi lumalabas ako dito mga around 11 p.m. Usually sa apartment ko, I feel safe naman.
Sa Bulacan o walang ano doon?
Yeah, definitely mas safe doon.
So kung sa Bulacan, mag-iiba yung rate?
Yeah.
So, ano na yung rate mo doon?
Mga 9 na.
Wow, Bulacan, no?
So what happened? We have our resident hold-upper here.
Anong kinuha? Cellphone?
Anong kinuha? Cellphone?
iPhone 15 Plus. Yes.
Ito yun eh.
O tapos, ano sabi niya?
Sabi, yuko kayo hold up to.
Ma'am, Yuko, hold up to. English lang.
Ma'am, can you
Bow your head.
bow your head,
please.
Get your things.
And then,
Yuko ako.
tapos meron siyang dala na
Yes, meron. Knife.
buti talaga binigay mo na.
So, your worst experience is hold up.
Ako kasi commuter ako since then. So usually ang na-experience ko talaga sa mga streets tsaka sa jeep. I once experienced being harassed, sexually harassed. Yung sa jeep talaga siya, yung lalaki doon na badyaw, he wanted to touch my legs. Ako lang kasi mag-isa lang sa jeep that time and I was about to go to school. Buti na lang, yung driver napansin niya, tapos pinababa na yung badyaw na yun, tapos hindi siya umandar hanggat binababa yung ano na yun. Kaya some point, somehow, I still feel safe kasi may mga good people pa rin.
Ikaw?
So far po, as I've said, wala pa naman po ako na-experience. There's a one, pero ano lang po kasi siya, parang nanghingi lang po siya ng barya. Tapos parang yung isa ding passenger is wala ring mabigay na barya. Ang aggressive na rin po kasi nung pulube. So parang nagkainitan silang dalawa, tapos nag-away po sila dun sa loob ng jeep. So parang dun po, natakot ako, pero naging okay din sila kasi pinagayos po sila nung driver.
Tapos lumipad na sila.
Any instance guys that na-experience nyo firsthand? Anything?
Yung naka-encounter lang po kami ng hold-upan.
Meaning hindi ka involved, nakakita ka. Ano nangyari?
Umiyak siya.
Anong kinuha?
Yung wallet niya.
Kayo guys?
Sa jeep din, same. Ano naman yun, may umakyat na parang,
Ang lilimos.
ganun. Tapos may dala siyang dos por dos, ganun. Tapos parang wala siya sa tamang pag-iisip. Tapos tinitreten niya yung mga sakay doon. So hindi mo alam kung bababa ka ba or paano ka aalis.
Advice for Filipinos na paano sila maging safe.
Siguro make sure to communicate with your family, relatives, kung nasan ka, every time, anytime, everywhere.
Actually, I agree with Dayan po. Pero it is safe naman po kung may dala rin po tayong parang yung spray ba yun?
Pepper spray.
Actually, ganun din. Kasi yung mas gusto ko, physically talaga may mga dala ka, ganyan. Kasi lalo na yung what happened to me last time. You really have to bring something at least to protect yourself. And also, yung mga pinupuntahan nyo rin, dapat sine-check nyo kung safe ba yun. It's really important to know that.
With that, if you guys don't have any bad experiences, you guys can share na lang any advice for foreigners or co-Filipinos, paano tayo makapag-ingat na lang?
Stay vigilant lang. Observe the surroundings. If alanganin, don't labas your phone. Yeah, be observant lang.
Okay po.
Yeah, definitely be observant and don't go out with people, with strangers, usually for the foreigners. If ever na may mag-approach sa kanila. Hospitable na may mga Filipino, but some, merong mga medyo nagte-take advantage naman kasi.
For foreigners, be careful. Don't trust me. Don't trust strangers. Any advice guys for Filipinos and foreigners na nanonood para maging safe in the Philippines if you're visiting Manila or sa Philippines in general?
Siguro wag na lang po basta-basta makampante.
Especially at night, no?
Kasi hindi rin natin alam kahit mukha silang matino, pero
Kahit mukha silang matino, hindi ka sure eh, no? Ito na, nakatutok na. So, agapang katiwala. At paggabi, mag-ingat. Oh, ikaw, ma'am.
Kasi di ba kilala yung mga Filipinos as welcoming po or hospitable. So wag po masyadong agad-agad na kung nagtitiwala or maniniwala sa mga salita. Maging cautious sa paligid kasi doon nagsisimula yung mga nakawan na salisi kumbaga.
Okay, ma'am.
Siguro pag gabi na, huwag na masyadong lalabas.
Ulog na, no?
Pag wala namang need na gawin sa labas.
Okay, ma'am.
Same din. Hindi lang doble, triple ingat ka talaga. Lalo na sa mga nakakasama mo sa paligid.
Nakapag-ibang bansa na po ba sila? May nakapag-ibang bansa? Saan, ma'am?
sa Hong Kong.
Masasabi mo mas safe doon o dito?
Kasi doon parang walang pake yung mga tao, so parang mas safe doon. Kasi,
Kahit gabi? So, mas prefer mo doon?
opo.
Do you have something to plug or events or social media?
Yes, our coronation night for Miss Grand Philippines will happen on August 12
At MOA Arena.
MOA Arena. See you guys there.
Yeah, see you.